All right, now welcome to SC Custom Designs. We're going to show you the progress of what we've got going on. In the previous video, we showed you this unit here, and we explained how we made it in previous videos and how we hung it in place so that I can continue to design the project. So this little light, by the way, to look up that review, is really coming in handy right now. Lights up my whole area here, as long as I don't have it fall. Okay, so angles. Very easy angle. That's a butt joint right there. Angle, right? Butt joint, no problem. Whoops. How do we figure that angle out? Don't stress yourself. Get one of these. This one here, this angle finder is quite antique. A good old friend of mine passed away, gave that to me many years ago. So here's how easy it is to find that angle. So you can transfer it to your wood. First thing I want you to do is just loosen this knob here. Tighten it just a little bit so that there is some give. Just a little bit of give. Okay, there. Now open it up more than you need, like so. Set it like this. There's a little bit too much. Okay, and let's watch the magic. Try not to get on my own light. And bam. How stressful was that? So now we just tighten up the end. I think I'll go ahead and take it off. Sorry about all the moving, peeps. Okay, tighten it up nice. Now, we know the saying, measure twice, cut once. Let's come back down again. And set it there. Let's see if we're still happy. I couldn't be happier. That is really nice. So now we're all set there. I'm going to take this unit and now transfer it to my wood, which I have sitting right here. And all we got to do is get yet another hand. You can imagine now I'm going to draw that out. So that's where I'm going to stop. I'm going to give you another tip. Who would ever think painter's tape could be so useful? So what I've done with my painter's tape, where he's really paying off, is holding this piece here. This bottom piece. Watch him wiggle. Okay, so this is the frame we're making at the moment. Oh yeah, look, we cut that out. And we cut that out there. I had a piece, I lost a piece up here because this is just pine, but I saved it and I'm going to glue it back on. That's not going to be a problem whatsoever. So for my tape, I just set it here. That's holding everything in place. Isn't that just the sweetest thing? And that's the piece there that, like I said, he was just hanging in the air there with no support under there. Because he literally is going to be sitting on this ledge, which is compromised. I went over that earlier in the video. So at any rate, there you go. So we're making that piece there. That's my duct tape. Duct tape. I say that automatically. That's the painter's tape. And you will use painter's tape over and over and over. As a matter of fact, you'll forget to use it. I did. For being honest, we're like, well, geez, I need that third hand. There it is. All right, thanks for watching. This is a real short one. Look up the series and follow the whole series, what we're making. So at this point, we are making the bottom part, and it's going to be paneled. It's going to basically be two of these pieces of 1x12. Okay, so we'll join two of those up, not join them, but put a rail between them, one or the other, and we're going to do panels. Stay tuned for that. It won't be the first time you see me make panels. But there you go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more excitement.